Hello, welcome back to Clever Trick Channel. I've lived for 30 years without knowing that storing garlic could be this simple. I've just learned this method. With this, garlic won't dry out or sprout for an entire year. It really works. Garlic is one of the most common ingredients in the home, used for stir-frying or stewing. Spices, especially in many meat dishes, need garlic to eliminate odors and enhance flavor. That's why many people buy garlic in bulk to keep on hand. However, garlic often dries out, loses its flavor, and becomes unappealing. Actually, storing garlic is very simple. A longtime garlic farmer shared some tips with me. If you want your garlic at home to stay fresh and not sprout, learn these methods. First, when buying garlic, there are two main types on the market: white-skinned garlic and purple-skinned garlic. White garlic is the most common, with a high yield. It contains a lot of moisture, is pungent, and crisp. Purple garlic has a stronger spiciness and retains its robust flavor even when cooked at high temperatures. If you like to eat garlic raw or pickled, choose white garlic. For cooking, use purple garlic. Each type has its own strengths. Choose based on your taste. Avoid garlic with the outer skin peeling off when buying. The outer skin helps retain moisture and prevents bacteria from getting in. If peeled, garlic loses water quickly, and the volatile compounds escape, reducing aroma. Some garlic skins are hard to peel. Trying to peel them forcefully can damage the garlic cloves inside, causing them to spoil faster. So choose your garlic carefully. The first method, storing garlic in a black plastic bag. Prepare a black plastic bag and put the garlic inside. Then, take a paper towel or gauze. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Slice some fresh ginger. Place it on the towel, wrap it up, and tie it tightly with a rubber band to keep the salt from falling out. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Put this ginger salt pouch into the garlic bag, squeeze out all the air, tie it tightly, and store in a dry place. This method can preserve garlic for up to a year. Ginger's spiciness helps prevent bacteria and absorb moisture. Salt also has antibacterial and moisture-absorbing properties. The black bag blocks light and prevents sprouting. Even after a year, the garlic won't spoil. Second method, storing garlic in rice. Place garlic deep into a bin of rice. Cover it with more rice. Rice is a staple always available at home. If there's a risk of weevils, garlic salicin, its pungent smell, helps repel their eggs. Dry rice helps keep garlic dry and prevents sprouting. They support each other, preventing weevils and preserving garlic. Very convenient. Third method, storing with baking soda and dried tea leaves. Take a paper towel or gauze. Place the garlic inside, sprinkle a little baking soda and some dried tea leaves on the towel, wrap it up, and tie it tightly. Put this small pouch into the garlic bag, squeeze out the air, and tie it tightly. Tea contains polyphenols that help prevent sprouting, and it also deodorizes and absorbs moisture well. Baking soda also absorbs moisture and keeps garlic from soaking up water. Garlic only sprouts when there's enough moisture and warmth. If it can't absorb water, it won't sprout. Where are you watching from? Leave a comment and let me know. It's wonderful how we can connect from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button so you won't miss out. Hang the garlic bag in a cool, dry place. When you need some, just open the bag, take what you need, and tie it back. The garlic won't dry out or sprout for up to half a year. Fourth method, storing with cigarettes. Put the garlic in a food bag, then prepare 2 cigarettes. Many think cigarettes are only for smoking, but they can also help preserve garlic. 41 degrees Fahrenheit. If it's higher, the garlic will sprout. Cold inhibits sprouting, but the fridge's humidity is high, which can make garlic rot if too damp. Nicotine in cigarettes absorbs moisture, helping garlic stay dry and not sprout or rot. It stays fresh for several months. Fifth method, storing in an airtight jar. Separate garlic into cloves. If any are soft, damaged, or rotten, discard them to prevent spreading. Find peeling garlic messy and time-consuming? Try this simple trick. Soak garlic in hot water and the skins will peel right off easily. How to do it? First, break the garlic into cloves but leave the papery skin. Heat water to around 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, 140 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, not boiling. Place garlic in a bowl, pour the hot water in to cover, and soak for 5 to 10 minutes. Take it out, let it cool slightly, and gently peel. The skin will slip off without damaging the cloves. After peeling, prepare an airtight jar and place all the cloves inside. Cover tightly and then put in the freezer. This method can preserve the garlic for 3 to 6 months, and it will still be delicious and not spoiled. Very convenient for use. After each use, make sure to seal the jar tightly again. Life should be simple. These folk methods are both easy and effective. Turns out storing garlic is this easy. No drying out, no sprouting, no spoiling for a whole year. Have you learned how to store garlic yet? Sixth method, storing with salt and vinegar. Similar to the previous trick, peel the garlic into cloves and place them in an airtight jar. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and fill the jar with white vinegar. Salt helps kill bacteria, prevent mold and fungus. Vinegar creates a mildly acidic environment to suppress sprouting. This method can preserve garlic for 6 months to 1 year while keeping it tasty and fresh. Which method do you find the most convenient and effective? Do you have any better ideas? Leave a comment below. Garlic is an essential ingredient in daily life. Whether eating noodles or grilled skewers, a few cloves of garlic are a must. If garlic turns yellow or starts sprouting, don't eat it. It may contain harmful toxins. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and follow me. I'll share more great tips every day. See you in the next video. Bye.